let's take a minute to try those DEWALT Pruner. This is the model DCPR320. You get lots of sucker coming from this tree, so we're going to cut those up. But before we get into it, I'm going to try a different size stick and see how it goes. So you can buy this pruner either with a 2-amp battery or with no battery. So this was bought as a tool only. You have to press this trigger down here, and then after that you can operate them. We'll try this size of stick first. Oop, I get the dog that wants it too. You can have it after I'm done trimming it. Alright, well, let's try this. Yeah, no problem. Let's go for a bigger size. This one's more like, you know, almost the size of my thumb or 3/4 of it. Viola, no. We're gonna try this. Nope. Yeah, no problem for this. Now this one is very big. Let's see a size comparison. Yeah, no problem. Sometimes you'll have to do it in 2 shots, but most of the time 1 shot is good enough. So that shows you how strong they are. So now apparently I can probably do all of this here and not even use one of the battery light on here. So right now I have full charge battery. This usually takes me forever to do that with just normal manual operated one. I will take a bunch all at once with this. It's going faster than I was expecting with this. So far we took care of all of this here, and we're still full charge. If you hold the bottom trigger on for too long, then it's gonna end up timing out, and even if you press that top trigger here, it won't do nothing, so you just have to release it and reapply it again if that's the case. Take your time, you don't want to end up looking like this. Oh, it timed out on me. Can't tell because the light will go off. The light sure makes it easier to see what we're doing. So it doesn't look like it makes a difference if the branch are nice and healthy and still green, or if it's been dry for a year or so. It still go through it pretty quick. So let me know in the comment below which tool brand is your tool brand.